Dry or cold cough? Use the simple Ayurveda recipe and it will soothe you naturally. Let's first understand why it happens. It may happen due to irritation in your throat. It may happen due to change in weather and you are allergic to pollution, dust or cold weather. It may be due to your low immunity level as well. Very simple remedy. First, take half teaspoon of pure honey and lick it for next 5 to 7 minutes. So lick it slowly and you will be soothed. Second, take steam with half teaspoon of ginger powder to it. Use it for 5 to 7 minutes before you sleep. And very simple, mix 1 teaspoon of honey with half teaspoon of ginger powder. Take it twice a day and follow it up with half a glass of warm water to it. Save these very simple yet effective remedies and thank me later.